Greetings, this is Paul the Poke from paulthepoke.com. Today's topic, trend update, Earth staggers like a drunk. Planet 9. October 2016, scripture reference is Isaiah 24 verses 18c through 20. For the windows of heaven are opened and the foundations of the earth tremble. The earth is utterly broken, the earth is split apart, the earth is violently shaken. The earth staggers like a drunken man. It sways like a hut. Its transgression lies heavy upon it, and it falls, and it will not rise again. So the earth has fallen, and it can't get up. Now the context of Isaiah 24 is judgment against all humanity of the planet Earth. And the language of the chapter is full of seismic activity consistent with an earthquake, or earthquakes. And look at the language of just these 2.5 verses as examples. 1, foundations tremble. Earth is broken. Earth is split. Earth is violently shaken. Earth staggers. Sways like a hut. It falls. Now, in our news in April of 2015, the Inuit contacted NASA and informed the sky had changed. Now, the Inuit people reside in the Arctic regions of Canada, the United States, and Greenland. And the changes reported included different positions of sunrises and sunsets, longer days, higher sun position, and increased warmth. Changes in moon positioning and changes in constellations were noted as well. And the predominant winds had changed directions. You know, historically they were out of the north, now they're out of the east. And all the Inuit elders were in agreement. The planet had shifted towards the north. And that's from sciencetimes.com. A link will be provided. And here we go, January 20, 2016. And this is from Caltech. Caltech researchers Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin have found evidence of a giant planet tracing a bizarre, highly elongated orbit in our outer solar system. Now this has been dubbed Planet 9 by Caltech, and it has a mass about 10 times of Earth, and its orbit is 20 times farther from the Sun on average than Neptune. And Neptune's orbit is at an average of about 2.8 billion with a B miles. Planet 9 takes between 10,000 and 20,000 years to make one full orbit around the Sun, and it's in an elliptical orbit. And that's from caltech.edu, and again, if you're interested in more details, there's a link provided for that as well. October 13, 2016, President Obama signs an executive order and here's the name of the order, coordinating efforts to prepare the nation for space weather events. And this executive order has multiple requests to be completed by multiple government agencies after President Obama is scheduled to leave office, which is kind of curious. It's like, why are you setting up all these things to be done once you're out of office? And the link's provided for that if you want to read the complete executive order at whitehouse.gov. And then a little over a week later, scientists, again from Caltech, hypothesize the mysterious Planet 9 may be causing a wobble or tilt to our entire solar system and Sun. Now, allegedly, Planet 9 orbits about 30 degrees off the plane of the planets in our solar system. And so the thinking goes, as it gets closer, the planet could cause other heavenly bodies to tilt or wobble. And here's a quote from Elizabeth Bailey. She is a Caltech graduate student and lead author for this paper. Because Planet 9 is so massive and has an orbit tilted compared to the other planets, the solar system has no choice but to slowly twist out of alignment. And this quote is from Konstantin Batygin. He's one of the scientists who has observed and hypothesized that Planet 9 exists. And his quote is, "It continues to amaze us. Every time we look carefully, we continue to find that Planet 9 explains something about the solar system that long had been a mystery. And that's from a link, independent.co.uk, and a link will be provided for that as well. So as you get into this, beware. This topic is loaded with all kinds of theories, conjectures, conspiracies, etc. Some call it Planet X, some call it Nibiru, Hercolubus. As always, do your own homework. Who knows what's going on? But this, I'm kind of curious in light of all these discoveries, and then we got the president making some executive orders regarding, quote, space weather, and you consider, if possible, big body out in space, gravity, magnetism interacting with other bodies with gravity and magnetism, and a sun interacting with gravity and magnetism. Who knows? Anyway, if you're interested, look into it. Take care. Bye.